In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, first of all, you need to launch your Google Chrome. So I'm just going to go to my Google Chrome here. Once you are here, you are going to see those three dots on your top right corner. Click on them. Then go at the bottom here. Then you will highlight Help. Then you will go to About Google Chrome. Then you will see this part updating. For yours, it will update, as you can see here. So after it has updated, you are just going to click on Relaunch. As you can see, nearly up to date. Relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So mine has already updated. I'm only remaining with this part of relaunching. So after it has updated, just click on Relaunch. So as you can see, it has relaunched. And now if you come here, you will see that Chrome is up to date. So that's really it, guys. That's how to update Google Chrome in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.